Hey, welcome back. Van here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Alabama style spicy barbecue beef jerky. I'm going to walk you through all the steps: slicing the beef, making the marinade, dehydrating the jerky to perfection with a mix of brown sugar, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. This jerky is sure to pack a spicy punch. Making small batch beef jerky, I like just going over to Walmart and picking up some of this already thin sliced beef. It makes it so much easier when you go to making your jerky, and it doesn't really cost that much. I just take their already slices and I'm gonna just cut beef jerky slices out of it. This is already super thin, so it's only going to take maybe 2.5 hours for this to be made into beef jerky. Now that we got all of our meat sliced up into jerky strips, we're going to go ahead and put it in our vacuum marinade tumbler. If you don't have a vacuum marinade tumbler, all you have to do, put it in a Ziploc bag with your marinade, mix it up real good, and throw it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, whatever you want to do. Next, we're going to go ahead and make the marinade. We got 1/4 cup of what's this here sauce? Worcestershire. We got 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We've got 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We've got a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Actually, it's granulated on both of them and it's not salt. We got a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're just going to mix this thing up. Pour a marinade in here. That's really nice. Really nice smelling stuff there. It smells like barbecue, sure enough. Get our lid on our vacuum marinade tumbler. We're going to pull a vacuum. Now that that's pulled the vacuum, we're going to lock that up. Shake it for its initial, just to get everything mixed up good in there. Throw it on here. 15 minutes. Hardly any marinade is left in there. It's all into the meat. Today we're going to be using the Nesco FD80. There'll be a link to it in the video description. There'll be a link to the marinade tumbler. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for. Look how them pieces are marinated. By 2.5 hours, I'll probably be pulling half this off the racks. So the rest of it should come off in 3 hours. All right, look at here. Now that just proves my point. That's how much marinade is left in here. It gets all up in the meat. One thing I like about the Nesco dehydrator, not only does it have a heat setting that you can set on it, but it is super quiet. Listen to it. Not loud at all. We'll start checking this in 2 hours. We should be pulling them off in 2.5 hours. And then I pretty much guarantee you it'll be done by 3 hours. Alright, this is the last of it right here. All this should be done. Let's see. Oh yeah. That's done. This is what we've got so far right here. Let's go ahead and transfer this over. There we have it. See there, it pulls apart nicely. You know, it's still fresh, so you gotta really work it, getting it to come back to. Now the flavor's coming. I'm not getting distinct flavors. I'm getting just a barbecue flavor, and I guess it's because we made like a barbecue sauce because of the brown sugar and whatnot in there. So, and the chili seasoning. Hey, but this ain't bad though. So it's video 1 of 50. Alabama down, 49 to go. Small batch beef jerky, 1 batch at a time. Yep. Ha.